Namaste everyone. Welcome to Healthful Ayurveda and Panchkarma. My name is Dr. Sonika Natta and today's class is about Kshira Basti, its components, its uses. So let's move toward the class. The Basti has Kshira or milk as the main component. That's why it is called Kshira Basti. Kshira Basti means the main component is going to be Kshira. This Basti is explained in Charak Siddhi Sthan 8th chapter 4th shloka. This Basti is one among Prasrit Yogika Basti. Application of this Basti goes like Adhisthana Bheda and Karmukta Bheda. So this is the Pakvashagat Basti, as we are not using this Basti like Griva Basti or Kati Basti, that's why it comes under Pakvashagata Basti, regular Niruha Basti. And Karmukta Veda, this Basti comes under Shodhana Basti also, Mridu Shodhana and Brahmana Basti. This Basti is practiced in two ways, Shodhana effect and Brahmana effect. And indication of this Basti also goes in two ways, Shodhana effect and Brahmana effect. And under Shodhana effect, this Basti is advised in Pittodara, Vatarakta condition and Sukumara, where Shodhana cannot be performed. Like if after examination, if you find out that you cannot give Vaman or Virechan to your patients, they are really very sensitive, then you can think about Mridu Shodhana, and Kshira Basti is the best option for that. This Basti is advised in Vriddha. In old days, very comfortably you can give this Basti. Ojakshaya, where the patient is really suffering with the immunity related problems, very low immunity or autoimmune disorders, this Basti can be advised. Asti Vaha Shrotogat Vyadhis, this Basti is very much in practice and prescribed also. This is the Basti which act as a Vrishya and Bala Varna Karatu. This Basti is advised in Vatarakta spectrum, ankylosing spondylitis, SLE, and even in rheumatoid arthritis. This Basti is advised and practiced after Amapachana. There are two opinions about this Basti. Acharya Arun Dutt says Lavana and Samanya Kalka can be added to this yoga, but according to Chakrapani, there is no need to add these two items. So question arises, how to make this Basti and how to give. See, to introducing this Basti, same methodology you have to follow, Purv Karam, Pradhan Karam and Paschat Karam, as I discussed in previous classes regarding Niruha Basti, and how to prepare this Basti, again same method of preparation which we use for making Niruha Basti. But here two ingredients is not there, which is Sandhav and Kalka. Otherwise same process will go like Makshikam, then Sneham, then we can use Kshirakshaya. When you are preparing this Basti, the first you have to prepare Kshirakshaya. Make it ready, then go for the next step. To make Kshirakshaya, you have to take Dravya 1 part, Kshira 4 part and water 16 part. And you have to boil it till only Kshira is left, the amount of Kshira is left. There is another reference which says 32 part of water also can be taken. So सबसे पहले क्षीर क्षाया बना के रखिए, then go for the next step. See, क्षीर क्षाया, the preparation of क्षीर क्षाया is always depend on which disease or which problem you are targeting. If you are targeting Katigraha, then Erandamula can be selected for making Kshirakshaya, or if you are selecting Vatarakta, then Guduchi can be taken to make Kshirakshaya. So ingredient of the Kshaya is always correlated or depend on the underlying problem. Guduchi Kshaya is prepared for Vatarakta and Erandamula Kshaya is prepared for Katigraha. So the basic contents of or component of this Basti is Makshikam 100 ml, Sneha, under Sneha, Ghrita and Tela, both the Sneha you have to use. See, you have to remember, Kshira Basti, take Ghrita also and Tela also, 100 ml Ghrita and 100 ml Tela. एंड क्षीरक्षाया 200 ml, जो कि आपने पहले से ही बना के रखा हुआ है, राइट, विच यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर्ड ऑलरेडी. सो दैट क्षीरक्षाया. So amount of this basti goes approximately 500 ml. Now question arise here, which grita you have to take, which taila. So that is again according to disease. For which disease you are planning to give this basti. If you are looking for a vata rakta condition, which is really very much in practice, then you can prepare guduchi kshirakshaya. You can take yasti madhu taila. You can take tikta rasa pradhana dravyas like gugulu tikta grita dravya you can select. Okay, so like in vata rakta madhu yashti adi tailam, gugulu tiktamghritam and guduchikshaya is used. Or in low back pain or katigraha dhanvantaram tailam, sukumaramghritam, they are 100 ml and erandamula kshirakshayam can be used. So thank you for watching. I hope you got the good content in this class. Subscribe the channel if you haven't yet. Share the channels, hit the like button and leave a comment. That's going to inspire me to come up with next video. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your attention. Take care. Have a great health. Bye bye.